Hi, welcome to Chem with Go. I'm Allie.
I'm Cathy.
And I'm Emmanuel.
And we will be talking about groups versus periods on the periodic table. So to simply put it, a group on the periodic table are the vertical columns, and a period on the periodic table are the horizontal rows. Pretty simple, right?
Think of groups as families. They share similar characteristics, such as in this family, each person has black hair and the mom and daughter have curly hair. Also, for example, group 18, the family of noble gases, each have 8 valence electrons.
Now think of periods as sentences in a book. So when we read a book, we read it from left to right, just like when we read the table of elements. And each sentence ends in a period. Get it, right?
So the period number will tell you how many electron energy levels there are. So come with me and let's look at the periodic table of the elements. So if you notice, there are 7 horizontal rows. The horizontal rows, as we already know, are the periods. Now, what we mean by saying the period number tells you how many electron energy levels there are is if we're looking at horizontal row number 1, which is period number 1, we know that there are going to be 1 electron energy level. And if we're looking at, let's say, period number 5, there's going to be 5 electron energy levels going across horizontally for these elements. So to sum it up for you guys, to know the big difference between groups versus periods on the periodic table of the elements, the vertical rows are groups, and groups are families because they share similar characteristics. Periods are the horizontal rows, and like we read sentences and they end in a period and we read sentences horizontally, so are periods on the periodic table of elements.